Welcome to day 6 of Python learning. Today we'll see the concept of inheritance. In inheritance we'll be creating two classes and we'll try to import the objects from one class to another. So we'll see how we can do. Let's start with the code. Let's create a class. Elon underscore Tesla underscore class 1. This is the main class. Def hyphen, this is our constructor. Self, so we'll have two attributes here. One is model of the car and type of the car. Self dot type. So we'll have a small constructor, small method in this class. Def method display 1. This method will just print this car is made in USA. So we'll create our second class, Elon underscore Tesla underscore class 2. So here we just have a colon here, but here we are trying to import the class 1 to class 2. So we'll have a constructor here. In constructor we just need to have self. So this class might have different attributes. It has cost attribute parameter and the color parameter, and we'll have self dot cost is equal to cost and self dot color is equal to color. We'll try to create a small method here, def underscore method underscore model underscore info underscore 2, since we are calling this from class 2. Self, this method will just print this is called from class 2 and it has model info. Okay, now since both the classes are created and we try to call class 2 class 1 from class 2, we'll go ahead and create our object. So our object is model 3 is equal to, we'll reference our class 2 since class 1 is already connected, and we'll pass the parameters here. So our parameters are, first one is cost, let us say it's $35,000, and the second one is color, let us say red. Since both classes are connected, we can access the attributes of class 1 here through the object created from class 2. So model 3 dot method display info. So this is model 3 object created from class 2, and we are calling the method of class 2. Okay, We'll try to run this code. Yeah, we'll try to run this code. So we created an object from class 2 and we tried to call a method that also belongs to class 2. Now we'll try to call a method from class 1, model 3 dot, and we'll try to comment this one. So we are able to call the method from class 1, but we'll try to print what are the attributes present in class 2. Print model 3 dot. So did you observe? We are only able to print the attributes from class 2, but we have attributes from class 1 called model and type. We are unable to print those. So to print that, we have something called super. So it's a special constructor. It will try to construct the parameters of class 1 also. So that super has to be included here. So in this super, we can include the attributes from here, model comma type. And those attributes has to be included in the constructor also. And those attributes has to be passed in the object also. Model, let's say this is model 3, and let's say the type is EV. When you try to print the model 3 attributes which belongs to which we created from class 2, when we try to run this, we have attributes from class 1 also in this. So to summarize this, we created a class called Elon Tesla class 1. Here we have parameters such as model and vehicle type, and we have another class called Elon Tesla class 2. Here we have parameters such as cost and color, but to inherit the parameters of class 1, those also have to be included in the constructor. And we have a super constructor which will explicitly mention the parameters of class 1. So based on that, when you create an object, you have to pass all the parameters which you wanted to have from class 2 and which you are inheriting from class 1 also. When you print the content inside the object, you will have all the parameters from class 1 and class 2. So using super and including the class 1 name in class 2, this is the concept of inheritance. Thank you.